Bison Band. Today we're going to be building scales on the bass clef staff. Let's look through our instructions together and then we'll demonstrate a few for you. First things first, I did put a 600-second time limit in. That's to help keep you moving consistently through this. We're going to complete 50 scales, 10 errors are allowed. There are 5 hints that are listed, but you're not going to see a hint button on here. You're just going to have to be very careful with how you put your notes in today. Now, a couple things. For the scales, we were building the key of G, and again, all these are key signature we practiced in key signature identification. 1 sharp is the key of G, that's F sharp. 2 sharps, F and C, is the key of D. 3 sharps, here's our new one, your key of A, that's F, C, and G. 1 flat is your key of F, B flat. 2 flats, B flat, E flat, is your key of B flat, and then no sharps or flats is your key of C. Let's see if we can do a couple of these together. Starting with our low C, remembering that C has no sharps or flats in it, so I can just leave this on this middle setting here to put in natural notes, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I have F major here, and I just have to remember that F major is my scale that has 1 flat in it. It doesn't follow the rule for the rest of those flat scales. G, A. Now when I get to B, I have to switch to B flat. We talked about that. B flat back to natural. C, D, E, F. D major. Now we talked about this one having 2 sharps, F sharp, C sharp. I add my E. I get to F, I have to add A sharp. Back to natural, G, A, B. I'm now to C. I need to add a sharp for that, and then add a natural for D. Here's my new scale. This is the one I wanted to show up. Make sure that you saw it. Let's do this together here. For A major, I have 3 sharps in it, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. They always arrive in that order. So let's build this. I start with A. I add in B, that's a natural. Now C, that's our next note, that's one of our sharps. So we'll switch it to a sharp for that. And then D, E, now we're back to sharps. We're at F, that is a sharp. G, that is also sharp, so I can keep putting sharps in. And then I get to our top note, which is A. So you're going to keep going with this. You have 10 errors to use. You have 50 scales that you're going to be building with those. If you have questions beyond what you saw in this video, use the support request Google form that's in your Google Classroom. You can visit my office hours. As always, make sure you're using submit best effort and submit results for every attempt that you make at this game. And good luck, guys. Game on.